To participate in this giveaway, you have to be in the US. You must also be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Charmaine. So today's video is going to be a wig review and also a giveaway. So today's wig is Shadday, 32 inches, and she is a part of the OUTRE Perfect Hairline. She is a 13x6 full hand-tied lace wig. Now, with everything that's going on, I know that a lot of people are losing their jobs. They're losing their main source of income. So I've decided for the next 10 weeks, once a week, every week, I will be doing a wig review and also a giveaway. And the wig that I'm giving away is the wigs that I review. So, for example, it's going to be this actual wig that's on my head. It's not going to be a different wig. It's just going to be this wig that I review. This is a brand new wig. I've only used it for the review. I haven't worn it before the review, and I will not wear it after the review. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much all I have to say for right now. And also, to participate in this giveaway, you must be in the US. You have to be in the US for shipping wise, because international shipping is expensive, and I purchased these wigs with my own money, and I'm also paying for shipping with my own money, so I want to keep the shipping as low as possible. So let's get right into this wig here. Okay, so it says that she is fully hand-tied with 13x6, which is, she has a 6-inch parting space down the middle, and she is ear to ear. She actually is ear to ear, so she's definitely big head friendly. And then the other tab does come to my ear. And she is no pre-plucking required. She does have that perfect hairline. You can go in and pluck it a little bit if you're going for like a going straight back look, or if you're going for a ponytail, you can pluck it a little bit. And it also says that she has baby hair, which she does. More like bangs, but yeah, she does. The baby hairs are super duper long. These are the baby hairs, so she does have super long baby hairs. And it also says that she has the wide elastic band in the back. She has that wide elastic band in the back, and she is heat styling friendly. It doesn't say how high you can go with the heat, but she is heat friendly. Now the elastic band in the back, it's not that strong. It's very weak. So if you want to replace that, you can do that. That probably would be best. Now let's talk about this wig. Shadday is big head friendly. She is huge. She is big. I have a big head, and I still have room for so much more in here. So if your head is my size or it's bigger, this wig will be good for you. And she does have that 6-inch parting space down the middle. Now once you go to the side, the parting does get a little, it's not as far back once you get to the side, but straight down the middle it is 6 inches. This hair is 32 inches long. I'm very short. I'm only 5 feet tall, and this hair goes past my, well, no, this hair goes right above my butt and right, like, I would say to my waist when you measure it from the front. So she is pretty long. I have her in the color 1B. She does come in a variety of colors. They say she comes in a DR4 ashy blonde, a marble gray, golden amber, red velvet. Those are the special colors. I got this wig from HAIRLINE, I believe. If that's incorrect, I'll correct it down below. I got her from, I believe, Jesus, what is happening? I got her from HAIRLINE, and I paid about $55 for this wig, so it's a bit on the expensive side. But I think she's pretty. Now my only problem with this wig is that it sheds. It sheds a lot. Like, you run your fingers through it and it's shedding. It's shedding. You brush through it and it will shed. I feel like if you make this an everyday wig, it will shed every single day. which I'm not a fan of because this wig is a bit expensive and I don't know exactly why it's shedding. And it's not because I cut the lace, it started shedding before I cut the lace. So yeah, keep that in mind if you wish to purchase this wig, that it does shed. It does tingle, but it doesn't tingle much. It's not like crazy tingle. You can run your fingers through it to detangle it. So it's not like crazy tingle. And the fact that it is 32 inches, I expected it to tingle because it's very long. I think that's pretty much all I have to say about this wig. I'll include in the description bar down below different stores that have it, and you can check them out if you still wish to purchase it. To participate in this giveaway, you have to be in the US. You must also be subscribed to my YouTube channel. You must also follow me on Instagram, which I will include down below. I'll include all the directions down below of everything that you would need to do in order to participate in this giveaway, which is not much. You just have to be subscribed to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and also must be in the US. And in the comment section, you will leave your Instagram name and email address. So if you do win, I will have a way of getting in contact with you to let you know and ship it out to you. Now, if you participate in this giveaway and you are not in the US, unfortunately, I will have to pick someone else. So please remember that you have to be in the US in order to participate. I have 9 more wigs coming for the next 10 weeks. So this will continue until the beginning of May. Don't miss out on this giveaway. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the uploads. And also make sure if you enjoyed this video to give it a thumbs up. That is going to be it for me today. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.